Sunset Hill, I gotta show you guys this sunset because look how beautiful this is. Look at that. Wow. It's glorious. We got all these cars up here. Everybody's just hanging out, enjoying the sunset. So pretty.
That right there. That's why you crawl up that, so you can see that. Good freaking evening, guys. I know Chris has already talked to y'all, but now it's my turn to talk to you guys. It is the official start of UTV Invasion. It is going to be non-stop fun. We're so freaking pumped, guys. I have no idea. You have no idea how excited I am. I have no idea how excited I am neither. But we got the whole crew. We got a special guest, Hunter. This is the man. If you ever seen an electric three-wheeler, there's nobody better than this man right here.
You're gonna see him.
That's right. And
That's what he did to his shoulder.
oh, is it?
No, I was playing t-ball with the kids.
Oh.
No cool story.
He didn't even want to give us a cool story. I was hoping he was going to tell me he jumped and hucked a freaking three-wheeler like off the top of a freaking dune or something. But no, somebody hit him with a t-ball club. Amanda, thoughts on today?
It's so pretty out.
That's a pretty sunset.
The weather turned out this weekend.
I am.
So Tim, when you
That's
came
beautiful.
Up that hill, the short
That's
I made
beautiful.
was way more aggressive than the
All right, we got steaks on the grill. We're going back, guys. It's the next day, guys. It is 2 o'clock. Thursday.
2 o'clock.
Thursday, 2, something like that. My mom is watching Baby Miles over there.
He's enjoying some Pizza Stop pizza crust.
Yeah. We got Maple Mike, Military Mike, Jack over there. We're going to catch up with Tig.
Please do not get in my way. You cannot drive in my lane. Tires is burning the paint. You don't have nothing to say. This is how legends are made. I know I got what it takes. And I'm not pumping the brakes. And I'm not pumping the brakes. I'm too competitive. I like the narrative that I'm the best in the league. Who you comparing with? That is competitive. Top of the throne and it's me.
We found everybody. That was like a pop ride.
That's good, man. Yeah, sorry, my belt is starting to squeak so bad.
How you moving so when it's speed? I just been bringing the heat. I just been bringing the fire. I just been bringing the fire. I just been bringing the.
Woo! Supercharger! He's gonna give it more speed this time. Third time's the charm. Yeah! Nice! Meow, meow, meow. Yeah, there you go. That was nice. Okay, oh, shit! Woo! Yeah! Got me!
Here's an instant replay on the magic screen.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Oh my God! You reeling that one? Oh, you guys, it's only the first day. Like that was a little sketchy. Out, dude. She can't let him defeat her. She can't let him have a farther hop than her. So she's gonna go again. There you go. There you go.
Oh man, I ain't taking no shit from Tim.
Good job, Amanda. That was a good one. That was good.
That was good, Amanda.
That was a good one. You got over the second hump too.
It did go over the second one?
Well, guys, we've been here to the jump, back, around, back again, and then around, and then now we're back here again to end this video. Hope that you enjoyed this one, guys. Basically, invasion's just starting now, which means that the action that's going to be coming is very, very close. It's going to be in the next video, as a matter of fact. Got a lot of fun things going on. We're going to go hit up a little party tonight and hang out with a bunch of friends that we have here. And yeah, so I'm going to end this video. We thank you so much. We appreciate you for subscribing. We appreciate you for all the love you've given us. We appreciate all the people that said hi to us while they're here. And I don't know if this video is going to make it out on Sunday, because we're just having so much fun with all our friends, and I might skip Sunday, and who knows. I still got St. Anthony's videos to even edit. So you'll start to see a lot of them rolling in at some point. But we love you guys. Have an awesome day. See you, bye.